नमस नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बेटिया। Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss oxalic acid, a corrosive poison. Oxalic acid occurs in the form of colorless, transparent, prismatic crystals and resembles in appearance to the crystals of magnesium sulfate and zinc sulfate. In the form of oxalate, it exists as a natural constituent of many plants like spinach, rhubarb, cabbage, etc. About 20 mg is excreted in urine daily. It is used as a bleach to remove stains or to clean brass or copper articles or leather in calico printing and for removing writing and signature illegally. Action. In local action, crystal of the acids and concentrated solution of more than 10% of oxalates are corrosive poisons. They rarely damages the skin but rarely corrode the mucous membrane of the digestive tract. They do not lose their poisonous properties when diluted. Less than 10% is a strong irritant but causes serious systemic effects when absorbed. Urinary excretion persists up to 24 hours. In systemic effect, they produces three types of effect: either shock in large dose causing rapid death or hypocalcemia. Those who survive for a few hours develop hypocalcemia because it rarely combines with the calcium ion in the body tissue and causes its withdrawal from them. Death usually occurs within 12 hours. Third, renal damage. Oxalate produces tubular nephrosis or necrosis and causes death from uremia in both in 2 to 14 days. Its fatal dose is 15 to 12 grams and fatal period is 1 to 2 hours. Sign and symptoms. By producing fulminating poisoning, in the effect of large concentrated doses of 15 gram or more produces immediate symptoms and death within minutes. There is a burning, sore, bitter taste in the mouth with a sense of constriction around the throat and burning pain from the mouth to the stomach. Pain is very severe, begins in the epigastrium but soon radiates all over the abdomen and there may be tenderness. Nausea and irritations are immediately followed by vomiting which may be persistent. Vomit usually contains altered blood and mucus and has a coffee ground appearance. Thirst may be present. Death usually occurs before bowels are affected, but if life is prolonged, diarrhea will occur. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. Thank you.